What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Ford Escape unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the vehicle's locked. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So stick the emergency key in the door handle, and then I'm going to turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. Then after we unlock the door, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw our key back in our fob just so we don't lose it. Then we can open the door. If the battery in your vehicle is dead, you can go ahead and pop your hood and do whatever you need to do with that, charge it or change it. If the battery in the key fob is dead, we'll also take a look at how we can start the vehicle. And one thing I'll mention is on some vehicles, as soon as you open the door, the alarm may start going off. If that happens, how you can stop the alarm from going off is you can start the vehicle. And we'll take a look at how to start the vehicle right now with the dead key fob. So we'll get in, and if we come up to the front of the center console, what I'm going to do is pick this mat up, this rubber mat. Then you see that little square cutout there? That's designed to put the key fob in there if the battery in our key fob is dead. And now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And then you'll be able to drive the vehicle as you normally would. And the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob if you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.